Police are still awaiting the full report of the second autopsy of Reserve Officer Training Force Cadet Syamsul Haris Shamsudin, conducted on August 30th. Inspector General of Police Dato Sri Muhammad Khalid Ismail expressed confidence in the credibility of investigators and urged the public to be open to accepting the findings.
Jadi saya tidak mahu mendaluhi mana-mana pihak. Kita sama-sama dan kita percaya pihak hospital mempunyai credibility yang tinggi lah dalam isu ini. Dan saya menyeru kepada semua rakyat Malaysia secara terbuka supaya menerima apa juga keputusan yang dikeluarkan, dan saya percaya kesemuanya akan melaksanakan tugas dan tanggungjawab dengan penuh disiplin dan juga integriti.
Police are awaiting reports from two parties, Sultanah Aminah Hospital in Johor Bahru and Kuala Lumpur Hospital. Syamsul Haris died on July 28th during training at the Army Combat Training Centre in Ulu Tiram, Johor. Khalid was met at a blood donation program held in conjunction with the 218th Police Day commemoration in Kuala Lumpur. About 250 PDRM personnel from various departments donated blood to support the Health Ministry's efforts in maintaining adequate hospital blood supplies nationwide.